Italian roasted meatballs. So beef and pork. Into the meat, we're going to add kosher salt, a little black pepper, and some red pepper, fennel pollen, and fennel seeds. Once I get the meats combined, I can push them back together and make a little well. Any breadcrumb, homemade or store-bought is fine. And douse it with milk. Good amount of olive oil to help them brown in the oven. I add a little nutmeg, a little bit of parsley, a couple of fat cloves of garlic, Parmigiano Reggiano, and pecorino. Then in goes the egg, and you get your paws back in there and mix it up. So you push the meat back together, score the meat with the sides of your hand, right, like this. So now I have 4 quadrants. I know that for each adult portion, I want at least 3 good-sized meatballs. So now I can divide that very simply and know that all the meatballs will come out relatively the same. Now we throw these in the oven and we make tomato basil sauce. 450, let them go till they're brown. Pour a little olive oil into our pan. I'm going to add some butter. For the garlic is crush it. 1 14-ounce can of chopped or whole tomatoes and 1 jar of passata. A little salt, a tiny scant sprinkle of sugar, a couple of leaves of torn basil. Let this come up to a gentle bubble. Oh, they're looking very cute. Hello, hi there, you're so cute. Now our balls are into our sauce. I'm gonna pop the lid on. Up next, we're gonna make garlic bread together. I like a semolina bread like this, so I like to split and pre-toast garlic bread. A little extra virgin olive oil into our pot. Butter, crushed garlic, and look, our butter's melting. Our pre-toasted bread. Don't be cheap with the garlic butter. I mean it, don't be cheap with it. Cheese, everywhere. Parsley, okay. Back in. It smells so good. Meatballs simmering in sauce. Melted parm garlic bread. Oh.